What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome or welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. If this is not your first time, thank you so much for returning. Thank you for your support. This is Sister J from Sister J Caribbean Cuisine. Today I'm doing some curry shrimp with corn, mushroom, and pumpkin. Come along with me and let me show you how I do this lovely dish. Sister J's way, Jamaican curry. Here's a rundown of the items I'm going to use in my curry shrimp. Of course, I have the curry shrimp here. It's already washed and deveined and seasoned. Okay, I washed the shrimp in lime and I already have them seasoned. Okay, I seasoned the shrimp with some black pepper, some Old Bay seasoning, some fish seasoning, some basil leaf, and some roasted garlic and herbs. Okay, right here I have some scallion and some thyme. Right here I have some corn, mushroom, some pumpkin, assorted bell pepper, red, green, yellow, and orange. Also I have some onion right here, some garlic, some ginger, and some pimento, and yes, coconut juice. So let's get started for this curry shrimp. So now I'm going to start the process. First up, I'm going to put just a small portion of butter in the pot. Small portion. And I'm going to tip a little olive oil. Not too much. Okay, now I'm going to put some curry. I'm burning the curry, guys. Careful not to burn the curry too much. So now I'm adding my fresh ginger, garlic, pimento, and onion. Wow, this smells so good. Okay, now I'm gonna put the coconut milk. I'm gonna put the corn in. Mushroom. Pumpkin. Some fish seasoning. Roasted garlic and herbs. Some basil leaves. Okay guys, so I'm going to cover this down for 10 minutes. Okay guys. It's been 15 minutes. Okay. So now I'm going to put the shrimp in. Guys, it smells so good. Scallion time. I'm going to put a little Old Bay seasoning. Some black pepper. Roasted garlic and herbs. Guys, this seasoning is already salt, so you don't need to put extra salt in this. But at least I don't use too much of salt, so I think the seasoning is good enough for me. Okay? Guys, it smells so good. Now I'm going to put the peppers in. Now guys, I'm going to cover this down for 10 minutes. There you have it guys. My curry shrimp is ready. Guys, this smells so good. I can't wait to devour in this curry shrimp with corn and mushrooms and pumpkin. Wow. This looks so good guys. There you have it guys. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share and comment. If you haven't subscribed, please consider in doing so. Take care of yourself and loved ones. Be safe. Guidance.